Hi everyone! Mukhang seryosong-seryoso na si REALME dito sa tablet scene sa Philippines dahil after just releasing the REALME Pad Mini, ay may bago na naman sila. Ito ang REALME Pad X. Ito yung 10.95-inch nila na tablet. E naalamin natin kung maganda nga ba to and sulit nga ba to para sa pera mo. So tara, panoorin muna natin yung quick unboxing and then isi-share ko sa inyo lahat ng experience ko after using this for a few weeks. Alright guys, so yun yung quick unboxing natin. Pero para sa quick size reference lang, tingnan nyo yung size difference ng dalawa. So this one is the REALME Pad Mini. This one is the REALME Pad X na talagang malaki. Full-size tablet talaga siya. Alright guys, so panigurado naman napanood nyo na yung mga ibang videos tungkol sa REALME Pad X and most likely alam nyo na rin yung general specs nito. So let's just skip to the highlights kung ano yung mga nagustuhan ko dito sa tablet na to. So first off, sa physical design niya, meron siyang unibody design. So makikita nyo, isang slab lang talaga siya and may isang camera module dyan. And yung camera module na yan is a 13 megapixel rear camera. And then meron ditong quad speakers as well as a front-facing camera na 8 megapixels naman. And mamaya ipapakita ko sa inyo yung quality ng mga cameras as well as yung sound quality ng quad speakers na to.
This is Martha Kivelson, Iowa Expeditionary Mission. Do you read Orbital? Come in, Orbital.
Comsync lost. Next orbital sync window, 12 hours.
Now, isa pang nagustuhan ko design-wise is that hindi gaanong kapitin ng smudges or fingerprints itong back panel. But in any case, I'm pretty sure naman lalagyan nyo rin ng case itong tablet nyo. Of course, you want this to be protected. And one thing you have to take note of, guys, is that wala pa tong screen protector na kasama. So, kung bibili mo kayo ng REALME Pad X online or sa mall, samahan nyo na rin ng screen protector para protektado talaga yung display nyo. Now, opening up this display, you'll be greeted by a 10.95-inch IPS LCD panel. Grabe, ayan o. Sobrang laki niya talaga. Mas malaki pa sa mukha ko. And very bright and colorful yung display niya even though it's not yet an AMOLED display. I am loving and enjoying this 2K resolution na display. And speaking of the display, panigurado, karamihan naman sa atin, gagamitin itong REALME Pad X for viewing pleasure. So, nandyan yung Netflix, Amazon Prime Videos, maybe even Disney Plus kung may access kayo. And then for sure, YouTube. So, lahat po yan, magandang panoorin dito sa display na to. Although 60 Hz pa lang siya, wala pa siyang higher refresh rate, okay na okay sa akin yung viewing experience. Would have been nicer sana kung meron din siyang HDR capability, but that is also missing here. So, ang makukuha lang po natin pag naka-Netflix tayo or Amazon Prime Video is Full HD resolution. Pero napakaganda naman ng viewing experience because it can really go bright. And then, hindi lang po ito for viewing, of course. Dahil yung performance ito is maganda din. Meron tong Snapdragon 695 na chipset. And that means you can do a lot of things with your REALME Pad X. That means you can even work on this. You can easily pair your Bluetooth keyboard and Bluetooth mouse para makapagtrabaho kayo on your documents or maybe an Excel sheet. Actually, may kasama rin dapat to na accessories. Meron ding pen or stylus. But the one that REALME sent me didn't come with those accessories. So, wala po tayong keyboard na kasama dito. And kung natatandaan nyo yung mga videos ko patungkol sa mga Snapdragon 695 na devices, I am not really too fond of those devices when it comes to phones. Dahil pag phones kasi, ang highlight talaga karamihan dyan is gagamitin natin yung camera ng phone, and the Snapdragon 695 has limitations pagdating sa camera hardware. So that means wala kang 4K recording, wala kang 60 frames per second, and that also holds true para dito sa tablet. Pero pagdating sa Realme Pad X, hindi masyadong big deal para sa akin yan kasi hindi ko naman gaanong gagamitin talaga yung camera ng tablets. Again, most of the time gagamitin ko to for social media browsing, watching videos, and maybe even reading manga. Para naman sa inyo na nagbabalak na gamitin itong Realme Pad X for online meetings, Zoom meetings, online classes, ito yung sample natin ng front camera. So ito na may quality ng front-facing camera just in case na mag-Zoom meeting kayo or for online class or forever. Basta ito yung makikita nyo. So, pwede na. Nothing to write home about. It's something you can use, especially kung may lighting kayo. So may konting ilaw ako dito and may lighting din ako dito sa right side ko. So pag madilim na, let's see. Actually, okay lang. Kahit pinatay ko na yung ilaw dito, may light pa rin naman ng computer. So let me know in the comment section guys kung ano sa tingin nyo. Okay ba to yung camera niya? Lalo na pag nagmi-meeting kayo. Now, sa rear camera naman, as to be expected, 1080p, 30 frames per second lang po ang meron. And overall quality niya is okay na. Sa photos naman, of course, you can't expect too much. This is not really a camera-centric tablet. It's just there para at least may magamit tayo na camera if ever we need one. Now, para naman sa mga nagbabalak na maglaro, mag-gaming on the Realme Pad X, of course, you'll enjoy gaming on this one. This has a very capable chipset, the Snapdragon 695, although it has hardware limitations, is a very capable chipset pagdating sa gaming. So, kayang-kaya ng GPU nito as well as ng CPU nitong Snapdragon 695, yung mga games like Call of Duty Mobile, Mobile Legends, even Genshin Impact. Of course, you have to adjust the graphical settings. But for this one, ito lang muna yung mga tinry ko na games and I had a lot of fun. Although, kailangan mo lang talagang mag-adjust muna sa malaking display kung hindi ka pa nakapag-try na mag-gaming on a tablet. Because it's a very different experience kung sanay ka sa phone and then magsiswitch ka to a tablet. At para ma-enjoy natin na mas mahaba yung Realme Pad X natin pag nanonood tayo ng videos or maybe even some gaming, in-equip na ito ni Realme with an 8,340 mAh na battery. Now, in my experience, at least 2 days ang nakukuha ko dito sa panonood ng videos with some light gaming, YouTube, Netflix, lahat po ng normal usage. Hindi po masyadong heavy So 2 days po, meron pa po akong spare battery na natitira bago ako mag-charge. So napakaganda talaga ng battery life nito considering na napakalaki ng display na pinapower nitong 8,340 mAh na battery capacity. Na kung kailangan mo naman mag-charge, meron din tong 33 watts na dart charger that will let you charge from 0 to 100% in just 2 hours. Now, so far guys, wala pa naman ako nakikitang downside nitong Realme Pad X. It runs really smoothly on its Realme UI 3.0. Now, siguro kung meron akong complaint dito, it's when it comes to the pixel density or kung gaano ka sharp or gaano ka dense yung pixels nitong tablet na to. Dahil meron lang tong 213 ppi as compared to the competition na Xiaomi Pad 5 na merong 274 ppi. So, very dense yung pixels ng Xiaomi Pad 5. But that's about it. Yun lang po yung napansin ko talaga yung sa sharpness ng dalawang tablets. Na kung gusto nyo magkaroon ng comparison between the Realme Pad X as well as the Xiaomi Pad 5, let me know in the comment section. The more comments about it and the more likes that this video gets, the bigger the chance na gawa natin ng video yan. Now, as for my final thoughts, if you can get the Realme Pad X at a really good price, lower than its SRP, this is something that I can definitely recommend. Na kung gusto nyo bumili ng Realme Pad X, nandyan po yung link sa description box. And kung gusto mo pang manood ng mga videos ko, ililink ko po dyan yung mga dapat nyo mapanood. I'm sure magugustuhan nyo yan. So hanggang susunod, ako nga pala ulit si Janus ng Pinoy Techdad. Kita-kita ulit tayo.